How to stop someone from seeing your location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. You can view your location information over here. Now, turn off the Share My Location feature as shown. You have now successfully turned off location sharing on your phone. You can turn your location sharing back on from here whenever you want. Go to the bottom panel and tap on People. You can view all the people who are sharing location over here. If you want to remove someone, then press and hold that contact and swipe left. Then, tap on Delete. Alternatively, go back and open up the Messages app. Open the chat you want to stop sharing location with from here. And then, tap on their name at the top. Over here, tap on Stop Sharing My Location. As you can see, you have now stopped sharing location with this contact. Following these steps, you can easily stop someone from seeing your location on iPhone.